Cheese? It's a movie. So what did you want to say? What did you want to say?
Happy birthday.
To who?
To Auntie.
And what else?
No.
I'm excited to see you when you come.
Yeah.
And we've got a birthday present and a card here for when you come and we'll have birthday dinner.
Open Auntie's present.
You want to open Auntie's present? Well, I don't know if she'll let you. It is Auntie's birthday after all.
A paper on your Auntie present? Wrapping paper?
Yep, there might be wrapping paper on Auntie's present.
I'm going to her house.
Well, maybe someday we'll go to Auntie's house.
Auntie, you know what must be big deal?
What? Okay, say bye, Auntie.
Bye, Auntie.
And what else?
Say happy birthday.
Yeah.